Hello guys, this video gonna show you the most high probability CRT time frame that you guys are asking me, and I gonna teach you in this video the most high probability time for the CRT trading, right? Um, just hit this like button, and we also had our deal, right? If the we hit 1,000 subscribers, I gonna drop you a model that works almost every day. So that deal is still valid. So subscribe the channel, and once we hit the 1K followers, I gonna drop you this model. Okay, so yeah, high probability CRT times. Uh, it's kind of easy, guys, but you know like I have to show you for you to understand. So the most um accurately time frame to trade is the 4 hour, right? And I like much of 4 hour time frame because it's easy to see the 4 hour and it's easy to spot your key levels, right? Of course your entry isn't gonna be in the 4 hour time frame, right? You- and I'm gonna show you late in this video, right? Your entry. But the time frame you must look, and it's like your priority time frame is the 4 hour time frame, right? Is a fantastic time frame. Is not too fast, not too slow, like the daily or the weekly, and not too fast as the 1 minute or the 5 minutes, too erratic. So the 4 hour is just a perfect time for CRT. Okay, and I need you guys to pay attention on this. Um, what you're gonna do in the 4 hour? You're gonna trade 4 hour? No, you're gonna mark your key levels, your point of interest in your charts, right? Some liquidity regions on your chart. So I marked some liquidities for you guys to see right here is the key levels, right? So you need to understand that the market goes from a key level to another key level, and you need to mark those key level in this liquidity pools, like this draw of liquidities, for you have your GPS to know what you're doing, right? So once this key level was purged, this key level has been hit, it most likely come to the other key level. That's this guy here, this hit right now, right in this moment. So we hit this key level, right? So guys, you need to understand something. Like we are in downtrend here. More therefore, I can do some lessons about structures of the market for you, localize yourself better. And oh, this is a downtrend, this is a uptrend, and where I am, like the bias and stuff, but not in this video. I can do, but not right now. But we clearly in a downtrend here, right? So we hit the key level, and the most likely move of the market is going to draw on this liquidity here, this key level, right? So you can call it a key level, you can call it a doll or whatever, right? You you need to understand something. Market needs liquidity, right? Your actuation points is gonna be liquidity points. Like you're gonna act only in liquidity points. So external liquidity or internal liquidity, it's your points of doing something, right? Here in the middle, you're gonna do nothing. Okay, like here you're gonna do fucking nothing. Okay, here you're gonna do nothing. Here you're gonna do nothing. So guys, you need to understand just the extremities, right? So key levels, right? Once you mark your key levels in the 4 hour, just look the 4 hour, mark your key levels, external liquidities, internal liquidities. Okay, external liquidities, highs, high, and what the fuck? Why I can do it? Oh, highs and lows. Okay. and internal liquidity, you can highs and lows as well, but internals, and you can fair value gaps as well as internal liquidities, right? So in this case, you have internal liquidity here, this high, and have this internal liquidity, okay? In fair, this fair value gap, okay? This you have this internal liquidity. This you have this internal liquidity. Here you got external liquidity, okay? Here you got external liquidity, right? Here external liquidity. Well, that's basically it. Your key levels, right? Internal liquidities, external liquidities, marker key levels, and you're gonna trade only the price hit those key levels. So when the price hit those key levels, what going to do, right? You drop your time frame for the 15-minute, okay? 15-minute time frame. In your 15-minute time frame, you're going to look the entries, right? So what you want to see in the 15-minute entries, right? You want to see SIST or MSS, whatever you want to call it. Oh, here, okay. And later, you you're going to see some like you need to look for some fair value gaps or breaker blocks, okay? Like breaker blocks or inverse fair value gaps that you have right here. You have one, right? And right here you have another, like you have a lot of fair value gaps in this inverse fair value gaps, right? In this leg. So inverse fair value gap. Here you got another one, inverse fair value gap. You gotta look for your entries, right? So in this case, this scenario, you have several things to work with. You have this fair value gap. You have three inverse fair value gaps. You have this order block. The price didn't hit this order block right here, right? You have the order block as well. So what you can do in this case, you don't have like a crystal ball to predict where price goes, right? Um, then you're gonna take your decision, right? You can enter here in the breaker block. You can enter here in this first fair value gap. You can enter here in the last inverse fair value gap. You can enter the order block or the fair value gap. You have a lot. Oh, sorry. You have this other fair value gap as well. Here, I didn't see. My bad. Where? Oh no, I guess I'm going nuts. Sorry, guys. You have a lot of entry options right here. The market gives a lot of entry options. You just had to choose one, right? Even if you get this trade on the SIS, right? You just sold right here. You stop. Your stop is always the same. No matter what kind of entry you're gonna do, is always the same, right? And your target, you can target like the middle of this entire leg, right? Is perfectly okay. Solid 3R. If you want target below, it's almost 8 hour trade, right? Of course, swing trades, right, guys? That's not a day trade, but it's a easy model for you guys to see. So same thing here. Price hit a key level, okay? Price hit a key level. What we got here? 15-minute. We need to wait for your change of state delivery right here. After that happening, what you got? You got the fair value gap right here, guys. Fair value gap, easy to see. Everyone can see this. Okay, fair value gap. You have also the order block model with the SIS, right? No inverse fair value gap. You have the breaker block as well here. Okay, breaker block, almost the same. Okay, so you just go long here. You wait for the price to retest it, go long, right? Aim for this middle point of this entire move, right? So take it here, here. Okay, take your trade here. It's easy. Okay, 5 hour trade. It's that simple, guys. Okay, it's that simple. Here you have another thing. Here you got a key level like high, like external liquidity, like a small time frame external liquidity. The 4 hour it's an internal liquidity, okay. But you also have the 4 hour fair value gap here. The price did tapped it, and here you got your trade. Okay, it's easy as well, guys. Look, okay, seized, okay, and then you got your fair value gap. Oh my God, that's too hard. No, you're doing the wrong way. Okay, you doing the fucking wrong way. It's not hard, bro. It's not hard. You can draw this leg, 50%, and you got your trade. Oh, that's only 2 hour. That's not worth the risk. Okay, just draw here. 5 hour trade. Okay, boom, take profit. Well, it's that simple, guys. You get the thing, right? So 4 hour key levels, right? You're going to see 4 hour chart, and then drop to the 15-minute time frame to do your entries. In that case, it's gonna be so much fucking easy to you guys make money. Okay, so for you, thank me, drop the like. Okay, drop the like and subscribe this channel. It's the only way I want you to thank me is doing this. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Right? I don't want your money. I don't want nothing. I just want this because I want to pass this message for the many guys I can. Okay? So help me, guys. I help you guys, and you help me, guys. Okay? So let's make this channel grow for I can pass this message for the most amount of traders that I can. Okay? So may God bless your trades and stay good.